another way. So, mag-harvest kami ni Nikki ng okra kasi may nakita na ako doon na madami ng bunga. So, kukunin na natin para may pang-ulam tayo mamaya. So, today is Sunday, guys. So, pag Sunday, ito na yung routine namin. Dito na kami sa farm. Ayan, first day. Oh my gosh. Girl, come here. You bring your tray. Yan ang kapatid ni James na special. What?
I'm not going to do that.
Yeah, you can. Just be careful. Ayan guys, madaming bunga. Kukunin natin yung medyo mahaba. Yung maliit, iwanan lang muna natin. Okay. You just put inside there. One girl. Then scissor. This one is big one. Yeah. So, may nakuha na kaming dalawa. And then dito. That one no need is a small one. Ay, dito madaming bunga sa isang puno. Ayan. May pa. May bulak pa yung dulo. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa ito masyado. Hahaba pa pala siya. Girl. Yan, ito. Ang laki. Oops. Pag mataba ang puno, malalaki din yung okra. Isang puno, madami na kaming nakuha. So, how many girl our okra there? Do you know how to count? You come closer to me. Nikki, here. Come closer to me here. Wow, we have a lot of okra. Do you eat okra?
No.
Just lang kumakain ng okra dito. Out! It's so spiky, the other one.
Well, be
Matinik.
careful.
Yeah, you do not touch the okra because it's out. It's spiky a little bit. My hands is okay, but your hands is sensitive. Ayan, one more girl. Maganda ito na class na variety ng okra kasi siya mahaba. Yung isa kasi na yun,
Go the other way.
maano lang siya, mababa, short, tapos mabilis lang magkunat. Alright. Ito ang aking padamihin. Magtanim ako nito next time. Ay, we're not yet done, girl! Where are you going? Oh my gosh! You're so silly, girl! Diyos ko, ang saya lang pag andito yan si Nikki. Kasi parang bata.
I want to get back over there.
Oh!
I
Okay.
want to get over there.
You're coming another way. I can't see you. Ayan, yung basket namin, meron na, yung tray namin, madami ng laman. So, wait, this, I think this one, no, it's the small one. The other one, I'm gonna check this. Oh, this still have one more here. Yeah, here. Mas maganda pag mataba. And then inside also, in our backyard, there's okra also over there. What? Inside the backyard. Ito yung alagbatin namin, guys, oh. Hindi na ako masyado naglalaswa. Nagsawa na rin ako sa laswa. Okay. Alright, so we done here. I'm gonna check first. Make sure we don't neglect any of this big one already. Okay. That one is still short. Oh, here. Meron pa pala dito. Masarap lang to. Binoboil ko lang to eh. Just boil okra. And I think this one is okay. And then one more over there. But you can stay here only. I can go there. Okay. You just stay there. This is madamo na dito. Oh, you see? Tingnan nyo guys, pag ganyan na siya, matigas na to. Hindi pa. Pwede pa pala. Hindi pa siya matigas. Hindi kasi siya masyadong mahaba. Na white girl!
I wanna go round.
Where?
I wanna go round.
Wait, we not yet finished. Can you come closer here?
I don't think if I can.
You can't? Also, just wait me there. But
have
don't go far away because I need the tray.
Oh, good Lord. Okay, I'm coming that way.
Oh my goodness.
I'm coming that way.
Kaming dalawa lang dito sa Farmville. Ang ingay naming dalawa. We are noisy, girl. Can you come here closer to me? Here?
I don't know if I can.
You can, girl. Oh yeah, it's dying. My okra here is dying. Maybe it's too hot. Oop. Super init na kasi dito ngayon. It's summer na kaya mamatay. Ano kasi yan dito? Diligan. Mataas. Girl, one more. Yung hose ko. Here. This one is not spiky. You can hold it. Okay, I think we're done. Let's go to the backyard. Still have more okra in the backyard. Dito naman sa backyard, yung maganda ang variety na to kasi tignan nyo, ayan maano siya, long okra siya, and then, ako na kukuha.
You want me to get it?
No, I will make it. I will pick it up. Ayan, maano lang siya, hindi siya ma-spiky. So, tapos na kaming mangawa ng okra, guys. Ayan ang yung nakuha na. And, ako lang yung kakain nito mamaya. Kasi hindi naman sila kumakain ng okra dito. And, yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Farm Girl in America. See you very soon. Sa kananik. Ayan ang aking partner. Bye! You said like and subscribe.